In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a private channel to public. So if you had set your channel to be private and you like to go ahead to make it public in Slack, it is pretty much simple. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that to support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and identify the channel that you want to go ahead to set to public. And for my case, I had set this channel to private. Now you can know that the channel is private if you see this padlock next to the channel. Now to make it public, go ahead and right click on it and then click on view channel details. Now under this, go ahead and click on settings here and then scroll down. And now down here, you can see change to a public channel. If you click on it, now you can confirm that you want to make this channel public, and you have to note that when you make it to public, anyone from your workspace except guests can see its message history and join. And also you have to note that if you make the channel private again, it will be visible to anyone who is joining the channel up until that point. So go ahead and click on change to public, and your channel now will have become public, and you can see the padlock has been removed. So that's how you can make a private channel public. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.